Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is all about solving past paper questions on functions. I'll also be covering key concepts such as algebraic expansion and logarithms. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 10 from paper 4 variant 1, May-June 2023. Here's the first part of part A of question 10. We're given three functions. F of x equals to x minus 4, g of x equals to 2x plus 5, and h of x equals to 3 to the power of x. Then it says to find f of minus 3. This part is pretty easy. All we have to do is substitute minus 3 in place of x and x minus 4. So we get f of minus 3 equals to minus 3 minus 4, which is minus 7. Therefore, minus 7 is the answer. Now for part 2 of part A. We have to find g inverse of x. We know that g of x equals to 2x plus 5. First, we have to replace g of x here with y. Then we make x the subject. So, we subtract 5 from both sides. Then we divide both sides by 2. Now we have y minus 5 over 2 equals to x. All we have to do now is replace the y with x and replace the x with g inverse of x. This gives us x minus 5 over 2 equals to g inverse of x. Therefore, the answer is g inverse of x equals to x minus 5 over 2. Now to solve for part 3 of part A. It asks to find f of x into g of x into f of x. We know that f of x equals to x minus 4 and g of x equals to 2x plus 5. So to solve this, we just substitute x minus 4 in place of f of x and 2x plus 5 in place of g of x. This gives us x minus 4 into 2x plus 5 into x minus 4. Now, we just have to solve this using algebraic expansion. To do that, we can start by multiplying the first two brackets first. This is x minus 4 into 2x plus 5. To multiply these two brackets, we multiply everything in the first bracket with everything in the second bracket. This gives us x into 2x plus 5 minus 4 into 2x plus 5. Now, we simplify and get 2x squared plus 5x minus 8x minus 20. Simplifying further by adding like terms together, we get 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. Next, we multiply the last bracket, x minus 4, with 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. For this, again, we multiply everything in the first bracket with everything in the second bracket. Then we simplify and get 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 20x minus 8x squared plus 12x plus 80. Now, we simplify further by adding like terms. This gives us 2x cubed minus 11x squared minus 8x plus 80, which is the answer. Now to solve for the last part of question 10, part B. It says to find x when h of x equals to g of f of 2. To solve this, first let's find g of f of 2. To get f of 2, we just substitute 2 in place of x and x minus 4. So, g of f of 2 equals to g of 2 minus 4. Simplifying, we get g of minus 2. To get g of minus 2, we just substitute minus 2 in place of x and 2x plus 5. This gives us 2 into minus 2 plus 5. Simplifying, we get 1. So, g of f of 2 equals to 1. Now we have to solve for x when h of x equals to g of f of 2. First, substitute 1 for g of f of 2 to get h of x equals to 1. We know that h of x equals to 3 to the power of x. So, substitute 3 to the power of x for h of x. This gives us 3 to the power of x equals to 1. Now we have to solve for x. We can write 3 to the power of x equals to 1 as the logarithm of 1 to the base 3 equals to x. Now we enter this in our calculator. For that, there is usually a button on the calculator with log written on it and two squares next to it. One small square followed by a bigger square. Pressing this button gives us log written followed by a small square and a bigger square. Input 3 in the smaller square. Then input 1 into the bigger square. Then press equals to. This gives us 0. So 0 equals to x. Therefore, the answer is x equals to 0. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Please like and subscribe. To find more videos on solved and explained past paper questions on various topics, please view the playlist. I'll be back with another video soon.